Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a super useful process, how to export an image as a PNG file right from Figma. Whether you're designing a website, building an app, or just need a crisp image for your next project, knowing how to export your work as a PNG can really make things easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get high-quality PNGs out of Figma in just a few clicks, and you'll understand what's happening at each step so you can do it with confidence every time. Alright, let's dive in. Suppose you've already got an image or design set up in your Figma workspace. Maybe it's an icon you've crafted, a photo, or even a full frame. The very first thing you want to do is make sure you've selected the exact item you want to export. To do this, simply click directly on the image or frame within your canvas. When you do this, you'll notice that selection handles appear around it, letting you know that it's active. This is important because if nothing is selected or if the wrong element is clicked, Figma won't know which piece you want to export. So take an extra second to double-check your selection. If you're working with multiple images on the same page, just click the one you need. You can always repeat these steps for the others later. Now with your image or frame selected, look over on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where the Design tab lives. You'll be using the Design tab for lots of common Figma tasks like tweaking colors, adding effects, or in this case, exporting assets. Scroll all the way down in this panel. Sometimes you might need to drag the panel downward, especially if your image has a lot of settings stacked up above. At the very bottom, you'll see the Export section. This is easy to miss if you're new to Figma, so don't worry if you have to search for it the first couple of times. In the Export section, you'll notice a little plus button. It's usually a small circle with a plus sign inside. Go ahead and click that. What this does is it adds an export setting to your selected image. Think of it like telling Figma, hey, I want to save this piece of my project as a file I can use elsewhere. As soon as you hit the plus button, Figma presents you with some options. There will be a drop-down menu right there, which lets you choose the file format. Click on that drop-down and you'll see several options like JPG, SVG, PDF, and of course, PNG. We want PNG, so select that from the list. PNG is a great format when you need a high-quality image with a transparent background, so it's perfect for exporting logos, icons, or anything where you care about sharp edges and clear visuals. Once you've chosen PNG, there's just one final step. Click the Export button. You'll usually see it labeled as Export Name of your image or frame. Clicking this will bring up a dialog so you can pick the destination folder on your computer where you want to save the exported PNG file. Pick your spot, hit save, and that's it. You've successfully exported your work as a PNG from Figma. And there you go. Now you know how to export any image or frame as a PNG in Figma. If any part of this process tripped you up, don't worry, it gets easier every time and soon it'll be second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them down in the comments. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials and creative design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.